Best travel drones. Are you looking for the best travel drones? In this video we will look at some of the on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The DJI Mini 2 is an ultralight, foldable drone designed for hobbyists and casual content creators seeking high-quality aerial footage. Weighing less than 249 grams, it's highly portable and suitable for travelers. Despite its compact design, the Mini 2 offers impressive performance and features. Equipped with a 12MP camera and a 3-axis motorized gimbal, the drone captures stunningly smooth 4K video at 30 frames per second in sharp photos. It supports a maximum bitrate of 100 megabits per second, ensuring clear and detailed footage. DJI's OcuSync 2.0 technology enhances reliability, enabling HD video transmission over a range of up to 10 kilometers, ideal for expansive outdoor shoots. The Mini 2 boasts a maximum flight time of 31 minutes on a single charge, giving ample time to explore and capture unique perspectives. Its wind resistance is improved, handling up to level 5 winds, 29 to 38 kilometers per hour, and maintaining stability even at altitudes of 4,000 meters. For ease of use, the drone features quickshots, intelligent flight modes that automate cinematic effects such as drone, circle, and helix. These options simplify content creation for beginners, while experienced pilots can manually control its versatile features. Other notable features include GPS-assisted hover, return-to-home functionality, and the ability to shoot in RAW format for advanced editing. The drone's intuitive DJI Fly app offers easy control and editing tools, letting users create professional-grade content with minimal effort. The DJI Mini 2's lightweight build, long flight time, and advanced features make it an excellent choice for aerial photography enthusiasts seeking a balance of portability, performance, and affordability. It's ideal for capturing stunning landscapes, family moments, or travel adventures with ease. Number 2. The DJI Mini 3 Pro, DJI RC Plus Flymore Kit Plus is a lightweight, feature-packed drone designed for both beginners and advanced users seeking exceptional performance and extended flight capabilities. Weighing under 249 grams, it's highly portable and exempt from certain drone regulations in many regions. Equipped with a 4K camera capable of recording at 60 frames per second and a 48MP sensor, the Mini 3 Pro delivers stunning video and detailed photos. Its HDR video capability ensures rich colors and enhanced image quality, even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera's 90 degrees gimbal tilt supports vertical shooting, making it ideal for social media content. Safety is prioritized with tridirectional obstacle sensing, including forward, backward, and downward sensors, which enhance navigation and collision avoidance. This makes the drone suitable for beginners while providing confidence to experienced pilots in complex environments. The included DJI RC controller features a built-in display, eliminating the need for a smartphone during operation and enhancing convenience. Paired with DJI's Fly app, it provides intuitive controls and advanced editing tools. The Flymore Kit Plus significantly enhances the drone's utility with 2 additional high-capacity batteries, extending the total flight time up to 94 minutes. This kit also includes extra propellers, a charging hub, and a carrying case for added convenience and extended missions. The DJI Mini 3 Pro stands out for its portability, professional-grade camera features, and robust safety systems. It's an excellent choice for aerial photographers, social media creators, and hobbyists who want a high-performance drone capable of producing high-quality content with ease and safety. Whether capturing cinematic footage or exploring new perspectives, the Mini 3 Pro offers versatility and reliability in a compact package. Number 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is a premium drone designed for professional aerial photography and videography, featuring cutting-edge technology and high-end capabilities. At the core of its design is a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, which ensures exceptional image quality with superior color reproduction and dynamic range. The camera supports 5.1K video recording and a 20MP sensor, making it capable of capturing stunning, high-resolution photos and detailed videos even in low-light conditions. The Mavic 3's omnidirectional obstacle sensing system provides comprehensive safety by utilizing sensors on all sides of the drone. This advanced system enables the drone to detect obstacles from all directions, reducing the risk of collisions and making it highly suitable for complex flying environments. The advanced auto return feature ensures the drone can autonomously return to its home point in case of low battery or loss of signal, adding an extra layer of safety for users. With a maximum flight time of 46 minutes, the Mavic 3 offers extended flight capabilities for capturing expansive scenes or conducting long-duration aerial surveys. Its 15 km video transmission range powered by O3, OcuSync 3.0, technology allows for stable, high-definition video streaming, making it ideal for professional applications where reliable video transmission is crucial. The drone is also FAA Remote ID compliant, incorporating the necessary technology for regulatory requirements in the US, enhancing its legal and operational flexibility. This feature ensures that the drone meets the latest standards for tracking and monitoring in the airspace. In summary, the DJI Mavic 3 combines advanced imaging technology, robust safety features, and extended flight capabilities to meet the needs of professional photographers, videographers, and enthusiasts. Its top-tier components, including the Hasselblad camera and omnidirectional obstacle sensing, make it a versatile tool for capturing high-quality content in various environments. Number 4. The DJI Air 2S Flymore Combo is a powerful and versatile drone designed for both amateur and professional users seeking advanced aerial capabilities. At its core, the drone features a 3-axis gimbal camera with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, enabling it to capture stunning 5.4K video and 20MP photos. This larger sensor size allows for superior image quality, especially in low-light conditions, making it ideal for a variety of photography and videography applications. The Air 2S excels in safety and ease of use with its 4-direction obstacle sensing system. These sensors, forward, backward, downward, and upward, enable the drone to detect obstacles from all sides, preventing collisions and providing a safer flying experience. This feature makes it particularly suitable for users who may not be as experienced in piloting drones but still want to explore advanced features. With a 31-minute flight time, the Air 2S offers ample opportunity for capturing extended footage without frequent battery changes. The Flymore Combo package includes 2 additional high-capacity batteries, a charging hub, extra propellers, and a convenient carrying case, significantly extending the drone's usability and enabling users to capture more footage on a single outing. The drone's 12 km video transmission range using DJI's O3, OcuSync 3.0, technology ensures stable and reliable HD video streaming from a distance, crucial for capturing dynamic shots or for professional workflows. The intuitive DJI Fly app provides easy control and editing tools, making it simple to create high-quality content with minimal effort. In essence, the DJI Air 2S Flymore Combo combines powerful imaging capabilities, advanced safety features, and a flexible flight time into a compact and user-friendly package. Whether for casual use or professional applications, this drone is ideal for those seeking a combination of portability, performance, and enhanced features. Number 5. The Parrot ANAFI drone, PF728000, is a compact, foldable quadcopter designed for those seeking high-quality aerial photography and video in a portable package. Weighing just under 320 grams, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry, making it an ideal choice for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. The drone features a 4K HDR camera with a 180 degrees vertical swivel capability, allowing for dynamic and versatile shot composition. This feature enables users to capture unique perspectives and creative angles, whether for landscape photography, vlogging, or everyday exploration. The ANAFI drone's 4K HDR camera ensures high-quality imaging with improved dynamic range and color accuracy, making it suitable for capturing vibrant and detailed video and photos. The camera's ability to swivel vertically up to 180 degrees provides enhanced flexibility in framing shots from high or low angles, making it perfect for capturing dramatic scenes or close-up shots of wildlife and nature. One of the standout features of the ANAFI is its quiet operation. It uses a silent propeller design that minimizes noise, making it less intrusive when flying in quiet environments. This characteristic is particularly valuable for capturing audio alongside visuals, as it reduces unwanted noise in recordings. The drone also includes autonomous flight modes such as Smart Dronies, which enable users to perform automated flight patterns like Droney, Circle, and Helix for capturing dynamic, cinematic shots effortlessly. These modes simplify the process of creating professional-looking footage, making it accessible even to beginners. With a 25-minute flight time and a 2.8 km video transmission range, The ANAFI provides sufficient battery life for capturing extended shots and exploring a wide area. The drone's compact design and foldable arms make it highly portable, easily fitting into a bag or backpack for travel. Overall, the Parrot ANAFI drone offers a balance of advanced features, portability, and user-friendly operation, making it a great choice for enthusiasts looking to realize creative aerial shots in a compact, silent, and autonomous package.